So basically we're making a giant bowl of oatmeal, to be honest with you. That's about what this is. America's bread basket right there. It's too bad we're not making a stout, because when you have the different colors of grains working their way down there, it's pretty cool. Looks this light golden brown to gold to amber to red to almost coffee flavor, and then all the way to jet black. So it's a super simple process, but it's very important to have the temperature, the water to grist ratio, and the time just right. Once we get the grain in, it's like busy and then chill, busy and then chill.